Today we are going to be talking about Jade. Not that Jade, this Jade.
Okay, today we're going to be talking about the propagation of a jade plant. For a jade plant, we use leaf cuttings because it doesn't have seeds, and it's really one of the only propagation techniques that you can use in this plant. For a jade plant is not the only plant that you use this technique for. You can also use a snake plant and other type of relations of that plant. What you want to do with a jade plant is first you have to have your materials. The basic thing and the most important material is where you can have your knife, or in this case scissors. At first what you want to do is that you have to look at your leaves. You have to find one that's not too small or not too big. You also have to make sure that your leaf doesn't have any marks, any scratches or anything. Once you found your leaf, you hold it by the stem and you cut closely. As you can see, this leaf has all the basic parts. Here's its apex, the veins that are inside, the blade right here in the middle that looks like a white color, the margin right here, and the petiole. What you want to do with your leaf, you leave it out for a few days. Keep it like in a paper towel or something. You have to keep it dry. When the few days are over, it's when you get your 3-pot of soil. What you basically do is you treat it like a plant. You make a hole, but instead of completely covering it, you leave it in here and you let this out. You stick it out. And for the next few weeks, you water it and you keep it out in the sun. The best place to keep it out is like on a sunny day or in a greenhouse, because this plant has to be treated like a jade plant. You check it over for a few weeks, and when it's propagated, when it grows out and germinates, that's when you know your propagation has been completed.